Time for another 5-minute toolbox talk. So here we are, guys, another top tip, and today's tip is basically get yourself just on any other bucket will do. This one just happens to be a Crown Pure Brilliant White. If you've got a lid, it's even better. And what I normally do is I fill this thing up, and this is aimed at apprentices really, first fixing houses or any other installation for that matter. Get yourself a box of raw plugs, pour them in there, same with screws. Load of metal back boxes, surface boxes, whatever you want. You can stick your hammer in there, stick your screwdriver in there if you've got a little electric one like this, handy little thing. And you can just carry that to the job. When you're done, put your tools back in your box, put the lid on this, and it's your first fixed box. You're not carrying loads of little bits and pieces around and dropping them all over the floor. You can take that straight to the job. Another handy bit of information as well is when I go and final fix my sockets, what I normally do, take that on the job, stick that at the side of where I'm final fixing my sockets, stick the rubbish in the box. People don't allow for cleaning up at the end of the job and leave it all over the floor to be swept up. Well, to me that's just more time, more effort, more energy. If you've got to keep running up and down for screws, raw plugs, boxes, that sort of thing, you're like a yo-yo up and down stairs. Much like exercise, I like to do things the easy way. Sticking it in an old bucket like this has cost me nothing. I pulled it out of a skip. If it's got a lid, it's even better. Like I said, you can put your few tools in there. This is my box. I'm going to do a quick video on this someday soon, showing you all the tools that I've got in here. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next one.